Good morning, students. Welcome to Artificial Intelligence class. In previous videos, we discussed these three topics. Today, we are discussing the fourth topic. Note down inferences in Bayesian networks. What is the purpose of inference system? What is the main purpose of inference system? Compute the posterior probability distribution. What we are calculating? The posterior probability distribution for a set of query variables. So you are considering some query variables. For that, you are calculating posterior probability distribution. For these query variables, you have some observed events. Right. Finally, you are assigning some values, assigning the values to the evidence variables. Okay. Right. So finally, the purpose is you are calculating the posterior probability distribution for set of query variables. Right? Next, what is the notation? How you are calculating the notation? Okay. Consider capital X. It denotes the query variable. So you are calculating probability for query variable. So X denotes query variable. E denotes evidence variables like E1, E2, E3, so on up to EM. Right? Small e represents it is an event, observed event. Y represents hidden variables. Y represents hidden variables like y1, y2, so on up to yn. The complete set of variables capital X equal to set of query variables union evidence variable union hidden variables. Okay, na? So this is complete set of variables. You are calculating, see here, you are calculating posterior probability for query variable. What is the query variable here? Capital X. So you are calculating the probability for the X by observing the event. What is the event here? Small e. By observing the event E. So this is the representation P of X based on the evidence E. In this inferences, two topics are there. One is by using enumeration. Second is variable elimination. Enumeration means calculation. Enumeration means calculation. So inference by enumeration. Right. Listen. You are calculating the conditional probability. You are calculating the conditional probability by summing terms. Summing means addition. By summing the terms from the full join distribution. So you are having full join distribution. From the full join distribution, some terms are there. These terms are summed, added. That is conditional probability. P of X based on event E calculated by using alpha into P of X comma E, where alpha is normalized constant. Alpha is normalized constant. So you are summing the terms means what is that? Sigma to up to how many terms? Y term. So you are calculating the probability for query variable x based on the event E, y terms. How many terms you are adding? Y terms are adding. Consider example which is already discussed. You are installing an alarm for burglary purpose, that is also worked for earthquake. If alarm ring, John calls and also Mary calls. Consider P of burglary based on the events, evidences. Uh, John calls equal to true, Mary calls equal to true. What is the query variable here? Burglary. This is X. That means query variable burglary. What are John calls? John calls is true. This is one evidence. Mary calls is true. That is also one evidence. What are the hidden variables here? Alarm and earthquake. These two are hidden variables, y1 and y2, hidden variables. So this is also written as in shortcut. See here, P of burglary B, capital B, based on the John calls equal to true. John calls equal to true means it is small j. Mary calls equal to true means it is small m. So small j comma small m, it is alpha into p comma capital B comma small j comma small m. So here some terms are there. One is using earthquake, one is based on the alarm. So burglary based on John call, Mary call for earthquake and the alarm sound. Okay, right. If burglary is also true, so that is written as small b. So P of small b based on John calls comma Mary calls is true. So here P of B, burglary is true. P of E, earthquake is true. P of alarm is true based on the burglary and earthquake. P of John calls is true based on the alarm. P of Mary calls is true based on the alarm. This is inference calculation by using Bayesian, enumeration, by using enumeration. So coming to the tree, P of B, that means burglary. What is the probability? 0.01. P of earthquake, 0.02. P of not occurrence of earthquake, 0.998. P of alarm ring based on burglary and earthquake, 0.95. Alarm not ringing if burglary and earthquake occur, 0.95. P of alarm ring based on the burglary, 0.94. P of alarm not ringing based on the burglary, 0.06. John calls after alarm ringing, 0.90. Not alarm ringing, 0.5. Mary calls based on the alarm, 70, and not alarm ringing, 0.01. Similarly, John calls based on the alarm, 0.90. John calls if not alarm ring, 0.05. Mary calls based on the alarm, 0.70. Mary calls if not alarm rings, 0.01. Right? In the next video, we will discuss inference by variable elimination.